Hey, we got a second base in for a new car seat, so I figured I would do an unboxing video for the Doona base. So, hi, I'm Mike. This is Year 1 Professional. As always, we're a new channel, so we would appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. So let's jump in it. So, this is the Doona base. This is the box. It is going to be a new base for said car seat that's already installed in our vehicle right now. I need a second one for my car, so we're going to open this up, see what's inside, and see what the feature set is. So, ooh, that's nice. Okay, nicely packaged. There's nothing in there. That was good. Unboxed. Get rid of that. Don't want to suffocate the children. Oh, yes. So it comes with a instruction manual with instructions in English and also Spanish. Expiration label. This one is set to expire in 2025 and it was manufactured in 2019. So this is going to last you 6 years. This is for once the actual seat is clicked in, this will pop out. So you can push it in to release this seat. You got up and down adjustment knob here, which will, hopefully it's raising it, raise this, oh, you're not seeing it. There we go. We'll raise the foot up and down. Got this belt path, the vehicle belt path. The latch is clicking here for safekeeping when you're not actually using them, which is a nice feature. Some of them just let them dangle. Another one on this side. And if you're not using that, you can use the belt path here. So you could undo those, push that back, latch this up, and then that will hold the belt in place. So that's pretty nice. And then underneath, this is also a good feature. You can keep the book in here. So if you need to refer to it later, it's always on board, which is great. Got a level here on both sides so that you know that it's properly installed in your vehicle. Just make sure you've got this side facing the seat. Use your foot to essentially push it up and down. It'll probably sit like this if you have bucket seats in the back. So just to push it up and down like that. Okay, I think that was it. There's not much to this. I think the only thing that I was really looking for as far as features that would be worth looking for are that these are the kind that are just like regular seat belts with a button. The ones that have the almost like a carabiner kind of clip, those ones were very annoying. So if you had to take it in and out of your car multiple times, that got old fast. But these have the proper clips, which I do like. But yes, this is just the Doona base. It was pretty simple, but worth looking at. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.